In this video, I'll show you how to download Play Store on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we start, don't forget to use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and follow along. Now, I want to be clear from the start. There's no way to install the official Google Play Store on a Fire Stick because Amazon doesn't allow it on their devices. That said, there is a great alternative that acts just like the Play Store, giving you access to thousands of apps that the Amazon App Store doesn't offer. This means you can expand what your Fire TV stick is capable of and get apps that you didn't even know were possible to use on your device. The first step in the process is to install the Downloader app, which is essential for getting any app from outside the Amazon App Store. From your Fire Stick home screen, navigate to Search and type in Downloader. If the app appears in the results, select it. If it doesn't appear, make sure you type the full name to ensure it shows up. Click on the bright orange Downloader icon, then press Get or Download. Wait a few moments while the app installs. Once installation is complete, open Downloader, and it will ask for some permissions. Click Allow, and then OK, so the app can function correctly. Next, we need to enable developer options on your Fire Stick, which is a necessary step to allow apps from unknown sources to be installed. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select About. Highlight your Fire Stick device name, and press the center button on your remote 7 times. You'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Go back to the My Fire TV menu, open Developer Options, and turn on both ADB debugging and Install Unknown Apps. Make sure to turn on this setting specifically for Downloader. This will give Downloader the permissions it needs to safely download and install apps from external sources. After enabling these options, return to the home screen and launch Downloader. On the left-hand menu, make sure you select Home rather than Browser. Click on the search bar, and a keyboard will appear on your screen. Here, you'll type in Aptoide TV, which is the alternative app store we will be installing. Press Go, and wait for the website to load. Once loaded, scroll down until you find the large download button for Aptoide TV, then click it. When the app finishes downloading, you'll be prompted to install it. Click Install, wait for the installation to complete, and then click Done. Before leaving Downloader, make sure to delete the APK file to free up storage space on your Fire Stick, as keeping unnecessary installation files can slow down your device over time. Now go back to your Fire Stick home screen and navigate to your apps and channels. Scroll down to the bottom, where newly installed apps appear, and locate Aptoide TV. Highlight it, press the Options button on your remote, and select Move to Front so the app is easier to access in the future. Open Aptoide TV, and it will ask for permission to access media and files on your device. Click Allow. From here, you can explore a wide range of apps in categories like games, entertainment, social tools, video players, and more. Aptoide TV essentially unlocks your Fire Stick, giving you access to thousands of apps that the default Amazon App Store cannot provide. One important thing to remember is safety and privacy when downloading apps from external sources. I highly recommend connecting to a VPN before exploring Aptoide TV. A VPN like NordVPN encrypts your connection and keeps your online activity private, which is especially important when downloading apps or streaming content. It also helps prevent your internet service provider from monitoring your activity. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and ensure a secure and private experience while making the most out of your Fire Stick.